joins, of course, is Mr. Ricky Palou and Sir Tony Boy Liao, our tournament director. And of course, they are our godfathers pagdating dito sa volleyball, no? Especially in the Shakey's V-League. And Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
The people behind the vision that has become a reality and has grown really strong in the last many years of the Shakey's V-League. This is already the 8th conference of the Shakey's V-League.
That's right.
In the 5th year of competitions. And they have found a home here, the New San Juan Arena.
That's right. And ganda naman itong ating lilipatan dito, no? And people here enjoy the venue. Napaka-accessible. Daming biyahe.
Accessible. Good. Ang ganda ng venue eh. Well-lighted, malamig, clean, malapit. Very clean. Spanking clean arena here at the New San Juan Arena. Very near Pinaglabanan Church.
Rachel Andakis tying the match at 16, and she is serving for FEU. Just as I say that, she hits the net, and the lead is back to Benil.
It's a big error right there for Rachel Dakis. Just like that, Benil once again on top, 17 against 16 here in the 3rd set.
They're leaving the door open here for Benil. Chanko again. Ang taas ng percentage ito si Chanko pag pumalo.
What's nice about Tiangco is she's very unassuming. Just plays with it.
That's right.
Behind her more illustrious teammates, but gets the job done for the Lady Tamaraos.
That's right. Pretty much gets the job done. Moranan. Oh, that set is short. Good thing Ajero was quick enough to get to it. Morada. Misjudging that one.
It is straight down. It's not an option right now for St. Benil to play defensive type of a game. Pag may chances sila, good ang reception, good ang second ball, paluin mo na.
Alright, Coach Leiva calling this timeout. Let's listen in.
Wala tayong play, wala tayong play. Kaya ayusin na po natin. Emergency setter ka. 5-6 tayo, pero pag pakat ang first ball, ikaw na mag-set. 2 play lang. Tingnan mo yung play sa gitna. Dulo mo ka agad. Dulo mo ka agad. Ayusin natin. Yung formation natin in-out. Then, ito lang kasi, nasa net ka kasi pag alam mo, long and service nga kasi, mag-fake ka lang sa harap, tapos pumasok ka, pabayaan mo, sabihan mo yung 2 ng sarito. Okay? First ball muna, first ball. Let's go! Go!
Alright, we have our games on Tuesday here in the arena in San Juan, where we have 3 games for you. First one is Ateneo versus Adamson at 2 p.m. Be followed by UST against De La Salle and FEU against Lyceum at a final game at 6 p.m. So, sigurado pong may aabutan kayo. Pumunta lang kayo dito sa arena ng hapon ng Tuesday, siguradong lahat po yan maabutan ninyo. And those are exciting matches, ha? Yung mga laban na yan, ang gaganda ng larong yan.
Each team will only play a total of 7 games in the eliminations. And the first top 4 teams will make it to the semifinals. It's a sprint to the first 4 spots. You don't have any time to recover after early setbacks. And right now, as we mentioned at the top of the coverage, La Salle is really looking good with 4 straight wins.
Definitely, La Salle, another contender. They've won it 3 times, so they're always in the hunt for the championship of the Shakey's.
They had a difficult schedule in the last 2 weeks. Pero nalusutan nila eh. Kaya ngayon, sila yung tinitingala ng mga teams sa ilalim. 4 straight wins in 4 straight playing dates, while San Sebastian in the second spot with 2 wins and a single loss. Kaya naman FEU, Adamson at UST gustong makabalik sa hunt sa semifinals.
Morada with a good floater. Good save from Benil. It's a free ball. This time from Benil. Let's see. Jose will set up Gonzalez. This time off speed. Let's see if Moranan can chase this one down. This one is not good from Benil.
Either that was an off-speed hit or that was an ill-hit attack. Either way, hindi maganda yung reception. FEU once again in the lead, heading into the last 5 points of the 3rd set.
Cabana, Gonzalez, and Jose, the 4th line. Morada, very powerful serve, and that one floats outside.
Lakas ng hataw talaga niya, no? Controlled power, but still sailing long. Regalo para sa Benil. 19 serving, 20 here in the 3rd set.
And ito yung sinasabi natin, they have left the door open for Benil. Ayaw pa nilang tapos. Look at that!
Wow! And that sidewinder has been her best weapon that I've seen coming from Shaira Gonzalez in the 2 years that I've seen her play so far. for the Lady Tamaraw. So efficient. Timing is really perfected by Shaira Gonzalez.
Maranan sets this one up again too low. You can see that the arm of Velasquez was a bit bent on that play. Ordonez, the veteran player, connects it and down the line hit.
Very rare mistake there for Chanko. And Ordonez once again showing us why she is one of the top players for the Lady Blazers.
That's right.
They're still chasing FEU here in set number 3. Down 2 sets to nothing. Down 1 point here in set number 3.
What a serve from Majero, barely just making it over the net. Muling Tapang had a hand in it, but again, not enough to bring it in the middle of their court.
Well, in the vernacular of yan yung ibinasura eh. Ikaw yung nag-serve pero sa'yo ibabalik. Kasi hindi ka pa nakapwesto. That's how you have to be quick and be ready right away.
Alright. Lamang po ang FEU ng dalawa. This could be the final set of this match if FEU manages to close this one up. Ordonez again, but this time read by Taganas pretty well. Oh, smart play by that.
That's why she is one of the more popular players here in the Shakey's B-League. Very controlled, very relaxed, extremely confident young player. Look at this. Good set by Jose. Rachel Duckis, not power, but precision in that dip.
Pag nakapoint nila, maiwasan yung point load. Kasi pag nakakapoint sila, nagagalit sa pag-ibig mo. Ayusin natin. Okay? So, isang point na lang yan. Side out muna natin. Malayo pa yan, malayo pa yan. Konti sipag lang. Okay, go.
Alright, we have our Shakey's V-League on NBN. That's November 4 against Tuesday, 2 to 4. It's going to be Adamson against UST here on NBN 4 at 2 p.m. on Tuesday. And FEU has slightly pulled away by 3, 23-20 here in the third.
The difficult part na for St. Benil is that they put themselves in a situation na naghahabol sila sa dulo na naman. No?
That's right. And those reception errors has cost them this set and possibly this match.
They had a lot of chances, especially here in set number 3. Pero yung experience ng FEU once again showing that they are head and shoulders above their opposition at this stage of the match.
FEU at set point or match point against Benil. Good dig coming from Morada. Jose gives it to Gonzalez. And emphatic strike is open. In the third set. Good play coming from Gonzalez. It is FEU winning this match in 3 straight sets. This final set, this third set, they score it 25-20. And ayan, makita natin the players shaking hands. And just last week, we were telling you they were in Dumaguete doing the same thing.
As we take a look at this final point for FEU, Benil tried to inch closer, but FEU once again receiving so well. And the problem for St. Benil, too many attackers, too many efficient scorers for FEU. Shaira Gonzalez finishing off the game and the match for the Lady Tamaraws in straight sets.
That's right.
We are back here at the arena in San Juan where we just seen exciting volleyball action from our girls from FEU and the College of St. Benilde. And of course, before we wrap up today's game, let's have a quick chat with our best player of the game, is Shaira Gonzalez from FEU. Shaira, last year, it was not an easy year, no, for the last season of the Shakey's B-League para sa team mo. Ano yung naging adjustment at preparation nyo coming into the season?
Bale, maaga kami nagbuo ng team. Bale, maaga kami nag-prepare para sa game sa susunod na mga games namin for uni games and then sa UAP.
Okay, and what can the fans expect from your team in this season?
Di ko masabi na sana makuha namin itong Shakey's B-League na to makapasok kami hanggang Final 4.
Okay, and of course, since you're our best player of the game, Shakey's has a very wonderful gift for you. So you get a wonderful Shakey's bag. So thank you and congratulations. So you might want to greet some of the supporters or yung mga sumusuporta sa team mo.
Hi sa mga sumusuporta sa Ladies Tamaraws. And binabati ko yung tita ko sa Laguna, sa Cabuyao, mga family ko sa Cavite, and then mga tropa pips ko.
Okay, thank you very much and congratulations. So before we wrap up this game, I'll turn you over to Ronnie and Ian.
All right, thank you, Ann, and congratulations to the FEU Lady Tamaraws. Our games on Tuesday here in the arena in San Juan. These are exciting games, folks. Ateneo against Adamson at 2 p.m. USC against De La Salle. Yan pa lang, panalong-panalo at 4 p.m. And ito pa, dadagdagan pa natin ang isang FEU versus Lyceum at 6 p.m. Final words from Coach Ronnie Magsano.
Well, FEU continues to be a dangerous team here in the second conference of the 5th year of the V-League. And they are the team to watch.
That's right.
Dito sa ating mga susunod pang mga laro.
All right, so in behalf of Coach Ronnie and Ann, this has been Ian Laurel thanking you for keeping it here at the Shakey's V-League.